mama a party girl, she just wanna have fun too. They say you ain't wifey type, but I don't care, I want you. You like to do drugs too, she in love with guns too. They say you too piped up, but I think that I love.
So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my thick and glossy slimes. So today I'm going to be making, obviously, thick and glossy slime. I'm going to show you the method I use. It's going to be like a chocolate slime. So kind of like a mocha color. So, okay, so you can use any glue really, but white Elmer's glue works the absolute best. I definitely would recommend it. It's at least what works the best for me. Clear glue works. It's just not quite as good as Elmer's. So yeah. So first, you're gonna pour your glue in, obviously, and then you're gonna want to stir for about a minute or two. Alright, now once you have stirred for about a minute or two and you start to see bubbles at the top, then you know it's ready. So then all you're going to do is add your activator. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to say this. This isn't what I use in my thick and glossy slimes. It's just the method I use because I don't put anything like in my thick and glossy slimes except for glue and activator, the usual for slime. And you're obviously put your activator in. No way you wouldn't. Stir that up. And borax works the best, but any activator works. It's just borax works the best. I used to use borax, but until I ran out. And you're just going to knead until you get a slime. So all of your slime is in your container. You're going to put your lid on. Well, hang on, I have to take a little bit more slime out because my lid, it like goes into the jar, so take about that much out. Okay. So once your slime is in your container with the lid on, you're going to put this in the fridge. And then you're going to leave it in there for a week or even longer if you need to. And once it's done, you've got a thick and glossy slime.